Dogecoin needs no presentation, as this image coin sensation created fourfold digit returns for financial backers in mid-2021. Albeit the coin had no genuine utility, retail financial backers actually clamored to get their hands on Doge, featuring the amazing force of virtual entertainment publicity. Be that as it may, is it past the point where it is possible to purchase Dogecoin in 2023? To address this inquiry, we take a top-to-bottom gander at the coin's value history and present some worth gauges for the years to come. We'll likewise investigate where financial backers can purchase Doge today, prior to featuring some option cryptos that might worth consider. Is it past time to purchase Dogecoin? Our outline: is it past the point where it is possible to purchase Dogecoin? Responding to this question authoritatively is trying, as a contention can be made for the two sides. There's no question that Dogecoin actually has potential, given its image coin status. However, is it worth putting resources into this year? Those with a higher capacity to bear chance might in any case track down Doge, an alluring speculation opportunity. The justification for this is the coin's extraordinary local area backing, spread across stages like Reddit, Twitter, and YouTube. This sponsorship has assisted the Dogecoin with estimating flood following significant world occasions like Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter. Then again, the people who purchase digital money all the more safely may wish to avoid Dogecoin. The coin actually has no genuine utility comparative with other driving crypto projects. Significance: its cost is resolved more by exposure than by intrinsic worth. Along these lines, assuming a financial backer inquires, would it be advisable for me I actually purchase Dogecoin? Our response is to crease. In the event that the financial backer has a high risk hunger and comprehends Doge's impediments, returns can in any case be made. Be that as it may, for most financial backers, there are preferred resources over Dogecoin for long-haul esteem appreciation. Dogecoin value history: the people who wonder, is it past the time to put resources into Dogecoin, are in many cases in stunningness of the coin's past remarkable moves yet neglect to comprehend what the coin is and the way that it showed up as of now. In this manner, it's fundamental to give an exhaustive outline of Dogecoin's set of experiences prior to plunging into our cost figures. As characterized by Coinbase, Dogecoin is a cheerful digital currency planned as an option, in contrast to different coins back in 2013. Dogecoin was made by two computer programmers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, and was at first considered a joke. Soon after its creation, Dogecoin appeared to stream along, encountering not many significant worth increments. Be that as it may, the coin never truly supported its energy, chiefly in light of the fact that most financial backers didn't treat it in a serious way. It was only after mid-2021 that Dogecoin cemented itself as the best image coin available. Between January 2021 and February 2021, the Doge cost soared by more than 1,000%. This was around a similar time as the GameStop short press, so the cost siphon was essentially brought about by retail merchants purchasing Doge as a joke. Close to this time, financial backers started to inquire, is Dogecoin still worth purchasing? And the response was a reverberating yes. From April 2021 until May 2021, the cost of Dogecoin soared by another 1,268% because of the coin, raising a ruckus around town media. As per information from CoinMarketCap, this brought about Doge arriving at an unequaled high of $0.7376 on May 8, 2021. Sadly, this high was passing. Financial backers before long understood that Dogecoin had no real use cases, and an expansive auction happened. This prompted Doge losing 77% of its worth between May 2021 and December 2021. Dogecoin highs and lows: high of $0.00095 in December 2013. A 300% increment in 3 days, high of $0.017 in January 2018, high of $0.086 in February 2021, a 1,000% increment in about 14 days, low of $0.043 in February 2021, an all-time high of $0.7376 in May 2021, a 1,268% increment. In under 1 month, Dogecoin value forecast 2023, 2025, 2030. All in all, is it still a great chance to purchase Dogecoin? The response to this question relies upon what financial backers are searching for. As displayed in the past areas, Dogecoin can deliver market-beating returns. Nonetheless, the coin's cost is likewise exceptionally unstable, meaning it's not reasonable for those with a low hunger for risk. Those hoping to put $1,000 into a profoundly speculative crypto resource might find Doge engaging, as the coin will probably still experience bullish spikes from here on out. These spikes will most likely be fueled by buzz via virtual entertainment and purchasing power from retail merchants, actually intending that despite the fact that they might give uncommon returns, it's suspicious that any energy will be maintained. Nonetheless, it's likewise significant that this estimate could change assuming Dogecoin offered some certifiable utility. The absence of utility has been a reasonable detour to Doge's advancement, implying that cost increments aren't founded on anything of substance. Considering those focuses, introduced underneath is our Dogecoin cost expectation for the years to come. End of 2023. We accept that 2023 will be also trying for Dogecoin, as it's normal that market feeling will stay pessimistic. Consequently, we gauge Doge could have a worth of 15 cents toward the finish of 2023. End of 2024. Because of its image coin status, Dogecoin will probably stay the best crypto to purchase on Reddit. On account of this local area backing, we estimate Dogecoin to be esteemed at 29 cents toward the finish of 2024. End of 2025. By 2025, the crypto market ought to have recuperated adequately and believe will probably have been re-established with financial backers. The constructive outcomes could assist Dogecoin with coming to the 44 cents level toward the finish of 2025. End of 2030. For Dogecoin to have any supportable cost energy, we'd have to see further use cases added that give motivation to financial backers to possess Doge. In the event that this happens, we could see the Doge cost return to the 73 cents level by 2030, a 733% expansion from the present cost. Dogecoin utility. How is it that it could be utilized from now on? Those pondering, would it be advisable for me I actually put resources into Dogecoin? Will probably be captivated by the coin's past returns. However, verifiable execution is certainly not a dependable indicator of future execution, so it's vital for investigate the coin's utility to give knowledge into its future worth. In spite of the fact that Dogecoin was possible the quickest developing digital money in 2021, it has attempted to keep up with its force because of an absence of utility. Like Bitcoin, Dogecoin depends on a proof of work (POW) agreement convention to check exchanges. As many will be aware, this check strategy is energy escalated and is a gigantic supporter of carbon dioxide (CO2) emanations. Because of this, it's challenging for Dogecoin to hang out in the oversaturated crypto market. The coin's agreement convention is considered obsolete, and there are considerably more eco-accommodating cryptos out there. Also, Dogecoin's just genuine use case is to send cash make installments. However, the vast majority will pick to utilize BTC or another top computerized money. At the hour of compassing, Doge has a market cap of more than $11.7 billion. It's difficult to legitimize this market cap, given the coin's absence of purpose cases and image coin status. As a matter of fact,